Good morning, children. How you all? Hope you all fine. Okay, in the previous class we completed the normal addition and subtraction of numbers, and we completed the story sums in addition. Now I am going to start the story sums in subtraction operation. Okay. See exercise 3.3. It's all about the story sums. See the first one, children. A shopkeeper earned 5,078 rupees and spent 3,794 rupees in a month. How much money was left with him? How much money? How much money? How much money was left with him? Left with him. Okay, see the first question, children. See the question once again. I will read for you. A shopkeeper earned. That means he earned some amount in that month. What is that amount? 5,078 and spent. And for other articles purchasing or for other purposes, he spent 3,794 rupees in a month. How much was left with him? That means how much he saved. Okay, leisure. Shopkeeper's earning. How much he earned? His earning is 5,078 rupees. His earning is 5,078 rupees and his expense, that means how much he spent. Shopkeeper's expense. Expense means amount he spent. It's nothing but 3,794. Okay, and the question what they asked, money left with him. How much money left with him? Money left with him. How much it is, I will tell you now. By subtracting those two numbers, you will get the answer. What are those two numbers? See those two numbers, children. 8 minus 4, 4. 7 minus 9. 7 minus 9. Is it possible to subtract 9 from 7? No. So by that time you have to borrow from the before number. What is the before number? 0. So not possible. So come to the before number. And before number it is 5. So 5 minus 1, 4. 5 minus 1, 4. Next. The number becomes 10 plus 7, 17. And before 10, before 9 will come. So 17 minus 9, 8. 9 minus 7, 2. 4 minus 3, 1. 1,284 rupees he got. Okay. See the next sum, children. Little Bo Peep lost 976 sheep. If she had 2,190 sheep in the beginning, how many is she left with? See the question. Little Bo Peep. He lost 976 sheep. If she had a person by name Little Bo Peep, she lost 976 sheep, but she had 2190 sheep. The question is in the beginning 2190 sheep in the beginning. So how many is she left with? That means how many sheep now she is having. So first, number of sheep she had, or else you can write the name instead of she also. Okay, what is that? How many sheep she had? 2190 sheep she had. In that she lost number of sheep. She lost how many? She lost 976 sheep. She lost 976 sheep. What is the question now? How many was left with her? How many? Number of sheep left with her. How many number of sheep was left with her? That is the question. See here, 0 minus 6. Is it possible to subtract 0 from 6 from 0? No. So you have to borrow. If you borrow, it becomes 10 plus 0. 10. Now the before number becomes 1 less than 9 minus 1, 8. 10 minus 6, 4. 8 minus 7, 1. 1 minus 9, not possible. So again you have to borrow from the before number. What is the before number here? 2. So now it becomes 2 minus 1, 1. Now it becomes 10 plus 1, 11. 11 minus 9. 9 after 10, 11. 2 only. So, and here 1. No more number to subtract, write that 1 here. So, how many sheep she had now? 1214 sheep she had now. Okay. See the next one, children. A milkman carried third one. A milkman carried 1827 bottles of milk. 1827 bottles of milk in his truck. In that 259 bottles broke, that means they spoiled, broke. How many bottles remained? Children, see the question, children. A milkman carried, that means a milkman. In our houses also we will observe, in our daily life we observe some milkmen used to carry some bottles of milk in our daily life. Like that only here a milkman having 1827 bottles of milk. In that, in a truck he will bring, and in that 259 bottles was broken. So now they are, how many bottles were remained, they are asking. How many bottles were remained, that means how many left without breaking. So first one, number of bottles of milk he carried. How many he carried, children? 1827. That means 1827. He carried 1827. So now number of bottles. So milk. How many was broken? Totally 259 bottles was broken. They are asking how many bottles remain many bottles left with him? Number of bottles left with him. How many bottles was left with him, children? See, 7 minus 9. Is it possible to subtract 9 from 7? No. So borrow it from the before numbers. If you borrow, it becomes 2 minus 1, 1. This number becomes 10 plus 7, 17. 17 minus 9, 8. 1 minus 5. Is it possible to subtract 5 from 1? No. So you have to borrow from the before number. What is the before number? 8, children. So 8 minus 1, 7. This number becomes 10 plus 1, 11. 11 minus 5, 6. 7 minus 2, 5. And here no more number 1 to subtract. 1568 bottles was left with him. See the next one, children. Fourth one, 2745 children took part in the Republic Day. The Republic Day parade. Parade means a show which we can see from army, navy and those type of, and some children will participated in sometimes in Republic Day parade. In that they participated 2745 of these 1087 were girls. 1087 were girls. The question is, how many boys participated in the parade? How many boys participated in the parade? Participated in the parade. Children, if you observe in our national channels, that means like DD, in that channels we will see every year on January 26th we will see that parade, Republic Day parade. Most of the people will come and watch that program, and some of them will participate also, and they will represent state-wise. Each and every state represent their culture and their activities done in that year. Okay. Here, how many children was participated in Republic Day parade? 2740. So number of children participated. How many number of children are participated in the parade? 2745. In that, number of girls was given. In that, children they given number of girls participated. How many number of girls was participated? 1087. The question is, how many boys was participated in that parade? So what we have to find? Number of boys participated. How many number of boys was participated in the parade? We should know. So 5 minus 7. Is it possible to subtract 7 from 5? No, not possible. So you have to borrow from the before number. What is the before number, children? 4. 4 minus 1, 3. So this number becomes 10 plus 5, 15. 15 minus 7, 8. Now 3 minus 8, not possible. So again you have to borrow from the before number. What is the before number? 7. Now it becomes 6. This becomes 13. 13 minus 8, 5. 6 minus 0, 6. 2 minus 1, 1. So 1658 boys was participated in the parade. See the next question, children. The sum of two numbers was given. The sum of two numbers was given, and they told us one of the number was given. They are asking us what is the second number. Okay. See. Sum of two numbers was given. Sum of two numbers. What is the sum of two numbers here? 4785. In that, one of one of the number is 2893, and they are asking what is the second number. So second number is, what is the second number, children? 5 minus 3, 2. Here 8 minus 9, not possible. So borrow it from the before number. Now it is 7 minus 1, 6. This number becomes 10 plus 8, 18. 18 minus 9, 9. 6 minus 8, not possible. So borrow it from 4. Now it is 4 minus 1, 3. It is 16. 16 minus 18, 3 minus 1. So it's nothing but 1892. Okay. Like that you can find the second number. If they given some of the number and one of the number, we can find the second number. Okay children, in the next session we will meet you again. Till then, goodbye.